Welcome to the webinar on writing a literature review. So what is a literature review? A literature review is part of a scholarly paper which may include a review of books, peer-reviewed journal articles, and theses that are related to a particular topic or research question. It presents the current knowledge, which includes substantive findings along with theoretic and organizational contributions to a particular topic. Most often, you will find these as part of a thesis, a study, or a research paper in order for one to validate or support work or the knowledge base that has been already acquired. A literature review has several objectives. It consists of a survey of the literature in your chosen area of study. It synthesizes the information in that literature into a summary to determine what exists in the scholarly literature, to identify possible gaps in the scholarly literature for further research. Now that we know what is a literature review, we need to understand what is not a literature review. And one thing that I personally have seen over and over with students is the assumption that an annotated bibliography and a literature review are one and the same. They are very different. Each has an important role in a research paper, however. An annotated bibliography is an organized list of sources, like a reference list, and it differs from a straightforward bibliography in that each reference is followed by a paragraph-length annotation, which is usually 100 to 200 words in length. Depending on the assignment, an annotated bibliography may have different purposes. It may help to formulate a thesis on a subject. It helps to demonstrate the research that has been performed on a particular subject, and it will help to provide examples of major sources of information available on a topic. Also, it helps to describe sources that other researchers may find interesting on a specific topic. I'll bet you think I have lost my mind here, right? Just humor me just a moment, and I think you'll enjoy this little analogy. First and foremost, please remember that the literature review is not an annotated bibliography. The hallmark of a literature review is the true integration and synthesis of the literature and the development of themes. The themes that you identify are not common designs and limitations. These are going to be specific to the research topic. I like to think about the literature review and the annotated bibliography in the terms of a fruit salad. So let's take a look at the annotated bibliography of a fruit salad. The following items would be your topical outline. You would have things like strawberries, grapes, watermelon, bananas, blueberries, and salad dressing. So as you can see, each element or article is analyzed and summarized individually. Now let's look at it in terms of a literature review. In the literature review, you look at overall themes and group or combine and synthesize those concepts all together. You will use the individual articles or our individual fruits to support the overall theme. Keep in mind that the literature review has an organizational pattern and combines both summary and synthesis. Now, here's what a literature review would look like in terms of a fruit salad. We would be considering the color of the salad, the taste of the salad, the texture of the fruits, proper temperature, preparing the salad, and proper storage. So you would use the various fruits or articles to support each of the topics or themes, but you would have multiple fruits or articles under each topic. Any questions? I can be reached via email at diane.anderson@purdueglobal.edu or via phone at 412-953-4992. I hope you have found this information helpful as you begin to compose your literature review.